What is up, guys? Sam here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today is Saturday and I'm working on a bunch of videos with my friend, working on Facebook ad videos because I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that kind of stuff with Facebook ads. So I have a friend of mine who's really good at Facebook ads and we're going to be teaming up to create videos. So we're going to be creating some videos for my YouTube channel as well as for my dropshipping course. So I know not all of you know about my dropshipping course, but I released it in January and it did well. A lot of people were making money off of it, but there's a lot more that I want to add to it. So I've been working on that over the past month or so. So in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be uploading a lot of content to the course, maybe a relaunch in the future. We'll see what happens and if I want to or not, because right now there's a select group of people in there. But anyways, this video is gonna be about what you need to know before you start using Facebook ads, because I see a lot of new dropshippers hop into Facebook ads before they even start running anything. They just start with Facebook ads instead of influencers. And I'm here to tell you that that is not the way to go. You need to start with influencer ads because you need to get data on your Facebook pixel before you start using Facebook ads, because keywords with interest aren't going to be your best bet for making money and conversions for your dropshipping stores. You need to be using influencers from the start, so you're collecting data of all these people that are interested and go to your store, and then Facebook will figure out people like them and who you need to target in order to start making conversions and sales with your Facebook ads. Because if you're just going right off the bat with Facebook ads, you're going to be targeting people that don't necessarily want to buy something or people that aren't interested in that niche or product that you have on your store. So definitely don't start with that. But when you first start, make sure you have a Facebook pixel installed on your Shopify store. I've talked about this a lot. And start running some influencer ads to see what works and what doesn't. Start making some money with that. And after you get about 100 sales or so, you're able to start using your Facebook pixel in order to make lookalike audiences. So I'm going to talk a little bit more in depth on this in the future videos I'm making about Facebook ads. But really, that's the first thing. Make sure you have a Facebook pixel installed on your store. And the second thing, make sure you have like a clear objective for what you want to do with these Facebook ads. Because when you first make your ad, they're going to ask you what you want to do, whether you want to have traffic, conversion, lead generation, whatever. Always choose conversions because you want to be getting conversions, making these people go from potential customers to customers. You want them to see your ad, click on the link, and actually go buy something. You want to make that profitable. You want to keep your cost per purchase very low so you're making sales and becoming profitable. So this takes time. That leads into my second thing, which is being patient, because Facebook ads is something that you're not going to master right off the bat. I've been dropshipping for almost a year now and I still haven't been able to master Facebook ads. It's definitely something that's tough and it takes time to learn. You have to go through a lot of trial and error. It's a lot harder than influencer ads. So influencer ads I'm good with because I've been, dealing with Instagram, owning big accounts, working with influencers over the past couple years because, that's just what I've been doing. That's how I got involved in everything. I started as an influencer, not my personal account, but themed accounts. So if you've been following me for a while, I have some big accounts, my friends have big accounts, and we're able to make money off of that. So influencers, I would say definitely stick with that from the start. Like I said, Facebook ads is tough. I mean, you may get lucky, you may become successful off of a Facebook ads right off the bat, but for most people that is not the case. It's going to take time with trial and error. It's sort of the same thing with influencer marketing, but influencer marketing is honestly a lot easier, comparable in the time frame of becoming successful and profitable within each other. So Facebook ads, it takes time. You need to be patient, just wait on it. Make sure your daily budget isn't set to something super high. So in the upcoming videos of Facebook, we're going to be talking about a lot of different things, so you'll be able to understand more of what I'm talking about right now and see like a real life example of what happens within Facebook Ads Manager and Power Editor. So the thing with Facebook ads is that you're targeting an audience, and if you're just using keywords targeting people that like toys, people that like dolls, whatever. If you have some store that sells dolls, you're just targeting people like that. It's going to be a very broad audience. It's going to be hard to narrow down on people that actually want to buy something from your store. So what you have to do is utilize that Facebook pixel that you have, all that data on there, and start making these small, narrowed down audiences and create lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences are basically when Facebook uses that pixel data and creates an audience separate from that, but has spread more into a different percentage of people and starts getting people that are similar to those. So you're not just targeting those exact people, you're targeting people similar to them, whether it's 1%, 2%, or 3%. It doesn't matter. There's different ranges that you can try. But 1% usually works the best just because that is keeping it narrow, but also similar to that audience that you had from the start. So it's going to take a lot of split testing to figure out what works with Facebook ads. You're going to have to create different ads. You're going to have to use different audiences. But the Facebook pixel is going to help you a ton with finding that. It's going to cut the time in half. You're going to be able to, cut the curve and start making money a lot faster with Facebook ads. And eventually, Facebook is going to populate. They're trying to help you make sales, but you also have to put your part in to help them make it easier for them so they can start making you money, you can start making them money. So that's what it's all about, getting sales, becoming profitable with Facebook ads. Because once you find that good ad that's starting to become profitable on Facebook, then you need to put all you can into that and start making as much money possible before it dies off. So Once you figure out how to do it once, you're gonna be able to use it multiple times on all these different ads, and you know, then you're set. Once you figure out how to put a certain amount of money into something and get a big return on it, then you're set. You're gonna be able to do that from now on, start making a ton of money with Facebook ads, and that's what it's all about. So I'm excited to have all these Facebook ad videos coming out soon for you guys. Just stay on the lookout. I'll be filming them over this weekend and over the next week probably, and then having them up probably in a week or so. We'll see what happens, but thank you all so much for supporting my channel and everything. I really appreciate it. So make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.